just to show off what you can do with an Excel file and some coding, not complex one. This system has 13,000 orders, 19,000 products that have been ordered, 500 customers, and 2,500 products. I'm gonna look up one of the products I've been abusing lately and see what it shows me. Bear in mind that this is not the most responsive thing on the planet. It should be better if that would be a SQL database, but regardless, sometimes it's really fast, sometimes it's really slow. So you get your general information, so description, the types, quality, age, yada yada yada, and the price of a unit. Technical sheet includes your barcode, case quantity, weights, and all that stuff. I've also included the top buyers by value, and this is a customer, obviously. Well, not obviously, but now. And this is a top buyers by quantity. As you can tell, there is one buyer that bought over £500,000 worth of the product. So I'm just gonna go into that particular customer and see what's up. So on this customer lookup page, you have name and address. So Wendell Densmore, a trust group analyzing synergy, whatever the hell that means. Postcode, city, you have your other details like contact, position, painter, illustrator. Oh yeah, the painter and illustrator definitely loves to get drunk on my products. You got some custom activity, so it tells you when was the last order, the first order, how long they've been a customer for, how many orders they've made, and the total spend, which is a bit ludicrous in this example, but hey, they've been thirsty. So, yeah. So I want to go into all of the sales for this particular customer, because I want to find out this stupendous order that they've Otis Glass, suitable name, has placed. So I'm clicking on sales history, and you see that was stupendously fast, but sometimes it's going to be really slow. I think I've located it. It was placed on the 14th of April. Let's actually go in deep and see if there are other details. And yeah, required date, you got exactly what was ordered. There was not anything else placed, so that's cool. So this is all the details you get. So yeah, you can drill down into the Excel sheet and actually have a look what's happening. And now I'm gonna look in the total sales of this product and see what other customers have purchased. So for instance, someone ordered 4 bottles. Let's see what the customer is for that particular transaction. Here I go again. It's a Jackwes Incorporated, functionally based motivating blockchain. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. And the contact is Rovan Sylvia, pipe fitter. Yeah, very suitable, I'm sure. You can see last order, first order. They've been with STD for 1 year, 11 months and 29 days. They've placed a total of 33 orders, and they've spent with us almost £10,000. And these are the abusers, well, the ones they've been purchasing. And the highest one was that would be rum, I think. Let's have a look. Yes, that's a standard cherry 1.5 litre 7-year-old rum. Really good. So I'm thinking you're getting the picture of what this does. Just queries the Excel sheets. I think there are 4 if I just show you what I have here. So yeah, I think there are, yes, there's order header, order details, which is again 19,000 of this. Product 2,500, customers 500, order header. I think I need to go down just to prove that I've got. Come on, don't tap out. 13,000 of actual orders. So yeah, this is what the system does. Well, system. it's something you can build yourself, hopefully with a bit of, you know, curiosity. I will obviously include the entire code and an Excel sheet for this if I haven't mentioned that in the beginning of the video. So yeah, hopefully this provides you a bit of more of an insight how you can mine quote-unquote data in a more attractive way, rather than, you know, where can I find this information, where can I find that information, what's up with this, what's up with that, because then it's harder to get the data together. This gives you some random data I decided to choose. And yeah, I think I'm rambling now, and yeah, that's it. I'm done. So thanks for watching, and till next time. Bye. Metal Purer and Caster. My god, obviously. User-centric foreground framework. Yep, made sense. Alright, bye now.